The way you talk, not sure I can keep up. You throw me off without...
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you're doing well. I hope everything is wonderful in your world. Today, I am doing a collab. Before I explain the collab, let me explain why I have this shirt on in every video. Because I don't want to mess up the clothes I'm wearing. I get powder, I spill, I need somewhere to wipe, so I just wear this shirt that I don't care if it gets messed up. So that's why you get to see it in almost every video. I have 2 or 3 of these, so I'll change it eventually. But today I am doing a collab with my good friend Nona. Her channel is #MySoCalledLife1977. This girl is such a beautiful soul. I love her so much. She has the kindest heart that I have ever seen. She's one of the sweetest people that I have met on YouTube, so I'm super excited to be collabing with her. We had a conversation on Marco Polo and decided what we were going to do together. She had recently done a big haul at the dollar store because they have a new actual makeup brand called Believe. And so we decided we were going to use some eye palettes to do an eye look. So as you can see, my entire face is done aside from the eyes. And the 2 palettes that we're using are the purple Plush Purples and Golden Disco. And I have not used these. I have no idea how they perform. I'm just going to go ahead and put on an eye base today. I'm going to use the P. Louise base. Right here, gonna put on an eye base and just get started and just show you my process. It's gonna be kind of a makeup discovery, makeup playtime. Check out a new brand and see how they perform. I'm excited because I haven't ever used this brand before, and let's see what kind of dibs that the dollar store has. Let's see if they got it going on or if it's a But anyways, if you would like to see what I come up with, please keep on watching. Alright, primer is down and set with just a cream colored eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow. Let's see, these do not have shade names, so I am just going to use through the editing, show you which shade I'm using. It looks to me in this palette, the Plush Purples, that we have 3 mattes, or maybe, I don't know, these almost look like satins. Hard to tell, so let's just see what we can come up with here. I'm going to use this shade up underneath the brow bone just to kind of carve that out and get things started. I almost feel like I didn't put anything on, but we'll see. I think I'm going to go in this shade to start, maybe with a beginning transition. I don't know if it's going to show up, but we shall see.
I've always got exactly what I want, but I just got caught in everything you're not. I'd walk away from you if I thought I could walk away from you, but I can't seem to move. I think I might have finally fallen. I don't even know what we started. I feel it and I know I want it. I think I might have finally fallen. I play it cool, at least I usually do, but I can't seem to can't seem to move. I think I might have finally fallen, fallen, fallen. I don't even know what we started, started, started. Oh, I feel it and I know I want it, I want it, I want it. I think I might have finally, finally, finally fallen. Thinking about it, and I've always got exactly what I want, but I just got caught in everything you're not. I'd walk away from you if I thought I could walk away from you.
All right, guys, this is the final look. I did have a little bit of trouble with pigmentation, and it is kind of powdery. I did have a really good base on, and so I think that's why the pigment showed as much as it did. I still think I came up with a really pretty eye look. I think it's worth working with and trying some different methods, maybe wetting the brush and things like that. But I decided not to put lashes on. I'm going to go ahead and put on a lippy. I do like the taupey color. I do like this color right here. I like the inner corner highlight right here. The mattes worked okay. This purple, which purple is always kind of a problem color, it gave me a little trouble. So I went into the shimmer in this one, and it did kind of fall out all over my face, and it's still kind of stuck there on my foundation. So first impressions as usual, but I think I got a pretty look out of it. I really do like the colors, but I'm going to go in with a mauve-y rosy lip so that maybe it will bring that out a little bit more in the eye look. So I'm using Mile High. It's a Hydro Matte from Gerard Cosmetics, and I'm using Dolly Danger Lip Liner by Buxom. I have my Slay All Day spray in my old all-nighter bottle just because I really like the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day, but I like the sprayer mister on this. So I'm going to set with the Cucumber Slay All Day. Oh, that smells so delicious. And it really does work very well to hold the makeup in place, especially in the summer months when it's warm, and it's getting that way in Oklahoma. Alright folks, I'm going to go get dressed, and I will be back to say goodbye to you. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I think it turned out really pretty. Am I wowed by these shadows and I think they're the best thing since sliced bread? No. But are they adequate and worked well enough? Yes. I think I still came up with a pretty eye look. But I have to get out of here. I wanted to one more time say thank you to Nona for collabing with me. She's the sweetest thing in the world, you guys. You need to go check out her channel. Hashtag my so-called life 1977. I will link her up in the information tabs, and I will also link her down in the information box. I can't wait to see what she came up with. I'm sure it's going to be super beautiful. So I'm out of here for now. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys.
I want, but I just got caught in everything you're not. I'd walk away from you if I thought I could walk away from you, but I can't seem to move. I think I might have finally fallen.